Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get started with Microsoft Entra ID for beginners. So this is helpful because it lets you manage users, control access, and keep accounts secure all in one place. So to begin, open up your browser and go to the official https://entra.microsoft.com. So this is where you manage everything. Once you're on the page, sign in using Microsoft account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. And from here, look for the users section. So this is where you can see all existing users. If you want to add a new one, just simply click new users, then enter the basic details like name, username, and password. Next, you can assign roles or permissions if needed. So this helps control what each users can access. After that, go to groups section. If you want to organize users, groups makes it easier to manage permissions for multiple users at once. You can also explore the security or authentication methods area to set up things like multi-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of protections. So that's basically the setup. Once everything is in place, you can start managing access and keeping your organization secure. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.